This huge female is always hungry, and she does not hesitate to attack when she sees a possible meal. A young alligator bathes in the sun in the afternoon. The python sneaks up slowly, knowing that the alligator's bite is very strong. It is safer to strike from behind. The python's coils wrap around the alligator's mouth and body, preventing it from fighting back. The young alligator is outmatched. He soon runs out of air. The python has to swallow her large prey and digest it. She has some special adaptations that help her with this task. Recent studies have revealed that when she feeds, she can speed up his metabolism by increasing the blood flow to some important organs, such as the heart, liver, and kidneys. This way, she can digest his food 40 times faster. Pythons are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. Unlike most snakes, pythons exhibit maternal care for their eggs and young. The female python will coil around her clutch of eggs and shiver her muscles to generate heat and keep them warm. She will also defend them from predators until they hatch. The baby pythons are independent from birth and have to fend for themselves. Pythons belong to the family Pythonidae, which contains about 40 species of snakes, ranging in size from the tiny pygmy python, which can grow up to 60 centimeters long, to the giant reticulated python, which can reach over 9 meters in length. Pythons are popular pets, but they also pose challenges and risks. They require specialized care and enclosures, and they can escape or be released into the wild, where they can become invasive. Pythons are also threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and the illegal wildlife trade. Pythons are amazing creatures that deserve our respect and admiration. They play an important role in their ecosystems as predators and prey. They also have cultural and scientific significance for humans. By learning more about pythons and supporting their conservation efforts, we can help ensure their survival and coexistence with us. Thank you for watching this video on Python Snake Facts. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on pythons and other reptiles. See you next time.